Welcome to this channel, and this video is about how to upload and post YouTube shorts. Now, before we start, if you want to grow and succeed on YouTube and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let's now see how to upload and post YouTube shorts. And on your feed on YouTube app, you need to come below here and click this plus button, then choose create a short on this pop-up window. And on this next page, you can upload a short video 15 to 60 minutes from your phone or record one using your phone camera. And when recording your video, you can always change from the front camera to the rear camera, change the recording speed, time you are recording, and use the camera flash. You can also add some sounds or music using this feature above here, and align your video using this other button right here. Now, after uploading or recording your short, you need to come below here and click this tick button to move to the next page, or click this undo button to start afresh. And on this next page, you can still add some more sounds and music, add text and make it appear at different times, and also add some filters. If you want to know more about adding text to YouTube Shorts, check out this video link. You can also find the video in the description below. Now, after adding these video elements, you need to click this next button above here to move to the next page, where you can add the title or caption of your YouTube short and choose other options accordingly. And it is recommended to include the shorts tag on your title. The next thing is to click this button below here to upload your short. And after posting your short, you can always edit it on YouTube Studio to add things like in description, thumbnail, playlist, category, tags, subtitles, and info cards. And this is like everything for this video. If you find this video helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to this channel for more videos.